Hi, this is Hashneen Chauhan, and these are my Balle Bolly shots. So this was in year 2015. I always wanted to pursue acting, but I did not know of a straight way to how to get into acting. So I thought that I might as well start with modeling projects. And in modeling also, I particularly thought I should start with pageants. So I was in the second year of my graduation when I went in for my first pageant. It was really great because that was for the first time I ever felt victorious in something that I wanted to pursue. So I remember I was just praying backstage all the time, and then all the things that I learned over there on those stages, they've helped me along. I really don't think I have achieved like a big stardom or anything as such, but like whatever little change that has come into life, it has only been very positive. It has made me a better person. It has made me look at life and towards work in a more positive and I'd say it has made me more appreciative about things. Like I value people and their work a lot now, which otherwise I think I was just kind of ignoring that, okay, everybody's doing their work. But now I actually respect people who work hard, and I try to learn qualities and things from them. So we did not pick it ourselves, so it was already chosen for us. And I liked my dress in the final round that I was wearing, especially in Miss North India, the red gown that I was wearing. It was really beautiful. So all this while, the biggest learning experience that I've already told is that I've now actually learned to appreciate the hard work that people are doing in life. Everybody has their own kind of struggle. I used to be, unconsciously, I never realized, I used to get jealous and ridicule people for nothing. And that attitude has changed. That attitude has changed into positivity, into gratitude, and into actually appreciating people and motivating them to do more hard work and to do good in their lives. So I have received a lot of love, and now I have a lot of love to give. So this is the best learning experience that I've had, that you should move forward with love. Everybody is trying to do their best. So what I consider as the biggest compliment is when somebody appreciates me for my performance. So I think nothing feels better than that. So if somebody genuinely appreciates me that I've given a good performance, that is the biggest compliment for me. My dream project would be to work in a Punjabi film which is female oriented and has a good message to deliver. So fingers crossed if that happens soon. I'm the kind of person who likes to spend more on travel, but if it comes to clothes, accessories or perfumes, I'd say clothes, but in accessories, particularly earrings. Undoubtedly my father. So he's always been very supportive, and the kind of strength he gives me and the way he motivates me and the kind of support that he's given me despite everything, because usually people from Punjabi families, they do not support this career a lot, but the kind of support he's given me, I'm really thankful to him. So again, the same thing. One good habit that I've picked up from my co-stars is not to be jealous. Everybody is doing good work and you have to motivate them. And another thing that I've learned is always get involved in constructive criticism. Do not criticize a person, अच्छा नहीं किया, वो बढ़िया नहीं किया हैगा, ये तो बेकार सी. No, do not ever do that. If you ever feel that there is a scope of improvement, so you should pass constructive criticism. Tell them that this particular thing was lacking, maybe you can cover it up by making more effort. So constructive criticism and giving out more love and appreciation and gratitude is what I've picked up from my co-stars. Netflix. And along with Netflix, I like to read as well. So I like to read about history. So that's how I spend my spare time. Okay, so my biggest pet peeve is manipulative people. I cannot stand when somebody is trying to manipulate, because you get to know that this is not coming from a genuine point of view. So I really I lose my patience when I come across anybody who gets involved into manipulations. So I just cannot stand people who are manipulative. 3 things that I cannot live without. One, of course, family. Okay, I don't think anybody can live without that. Then second, I'd say a dream, a goal to chase, because that is what motivates you to live life and go forward with it. And third, I cannot compare them though, this is first, second, third, but another thing would be the name of God. That makes you survive this world. There's nothing else beyond that. Okay, so I've had many fangirl movements, but the one that is coming to my mind right now is when I met Manav Vij sir. And because I met him when Andhadhun had just released, and I was totally in awe of him. And he's such a humble and great personality. The kind of stories he told about his life and the experiences he shared, it was totally a magical movement. My perfect vacation would be an outing with my friends. So all my friends, they're living in Canada. So I haven't met them from a long time. So if all of us friends, we have 5-6 girls, we are a group of 5-6 girls. If we go for an outing to Mexico or somewhere, I think that would be the perfect vacation. So it's not my current TV character obsession, it's my all-time TV character obsession. I love Rachel from Friends. I love all the characters from Friends actually, but Rachel and Joey the most. So being a girl, I'd say Rachel is my TV character obsession. This is a little weird. I try to notice people's nose. I don't know, I have this habit since childhood. Whenever I look at a new person's face, I try to figure out the shape of their nose. If I was not a model or an actress, either I would have pursued journalism, or as I'm studying alongside even now also, I would be preparing for civil services. My favorite exercise is all triceps exercises, because I think I really have to work on my arms. So yeah. Singing, because I'm a really bad singer. I'm a very bad singer. So I think maybe if I had, little good vocal skills so that I could just entertain myself. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Hashneen Chauhan, and if you like this interview, please like, share and subscribe Balle Bolly magazine on YouTube.